Guys, have you ever tried shopping online with your mobile phone or your computer? Have you ever tried websites or e-commerce sites like Jumia, eBay, etc.? And then you want to try and then buy things online, shop online, add to your cart, and then you want to make sure you make payments by formatting. Now, today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a PayPal account, which will help you to buy stuff online. Stick and stay right. Yeah, guys, welcome back to Sidakotechlab. I'm your IT friend, and today we are going to look at the step-by-step procedure in which you will be able to create a PayPal account. Don't forget to like and then subscribe to my channel, and then make sure you ring the bell, the notification bell there, so that anytime any video drops, you'll be able to get notified and then watch videos of this sort. Without much ado, let's move on to today's agenda. So if you want to create a PayPal account, what you need to do is go to your browser. But before then, let's look at the meaning of PayPal account. When we say PayPal account, what does it mean? We say that PayPal account, it's an online financial service that allows you to pay for items using a secure internet account. So you simply add your bank account, credit card or debit card details. Whenever you pay using PayPal, you can choose which of your cards or account you pays with. So basically, the PayPal account is an online financial service that gives you the opportunity or the chance in order to pay for your goods or pay for items that you shop. So let's now move on to how to create a PayPal account. All you need to do is to open any of your browser and then you type in PayPal. .com/ls. Very important for you to add an ls when you are signing up from Ghana. You just press enter, wait for the page to be loaded onto you. So we have this interface or the index page here. What you need to do is either click here, sign up for free, or you click on this side, which is sign up. So either of the button that you click, so you click on sign up. And then we have two main types of accounts with regards to PayPal. We have the personal account and the business account. So in this tutorial, we are going to go for the business account. The distinction or the difference between these two accounts is that the personal account, you are able to shop online. But with a business account, you are able to shop whilst you also accept payment. So you can send payment or you can send money, and then you can also receive payment. So you go for the business account, then you click continue. Actually, it helps you to be able to purchase stuff online. Therefore, we have enter your email address, so the email address you need in order to continue with the So with a password, you need to enter these 8 characters, which includes one number, right? The symbol. You must enter 8 characters, which includes the number and the character. So enter your password. Very, very secure one. Then here we have the form here. Tell us about our business. Bigger first, so just fill in with bigger business. Then we have business then we have with this business phone number, you select this space. There will be a drop down menu. Then you search for Ghana or any country that you want. You search for the country. Then you click on it. So Ghana is the last one. Then I enter the number. So I have my number here. Just copy and paste, and then there we go. We also have address line 1, 2, etc. So I'll enter address and passing. I enter the address of this town, city, town, or village. So I'll enter passing. Region, Ashanti. Postal code, enter 00. That is postal code. With the primary currency, make sure you contain US dollar. So you just check this box, just by reading terms and conditions. So you relax whilst the page is describe your needs. In this case, you want to tell people about the kind of stuff. So select either in or what service do you render? How will you attack software stores? Okay. And then business this one is empty. Okay, we'll continue. Then you enter the months, June, and the year. So if it's business, the year your business was established. What is your nationality? Ghana. And identity document. So I'll go for nationality. Then you enter your ID number. The home address, same as business address. Then you click on submit. So it says, welcome to your PayPal business account. So guys, we have been able to create our PayPal account. And before we be able to know that it's created, let's log out here to see if everything is okay. So we click on login. So we enter our password. Make sure you keep your password secured. Don't let anyone see password. You click on login account. PayPal is trying to give us a sample. So it says PayPal balance is in the United States dollar, and there's nothing in the account. So in this case, you need to confirm your email address, and then you see or you link and confirm what your credit card. So guys, this is all about the creation of PayPal accounts. So guys, as you saw from the video, this is how a PayPal account is being created, free, and of course, no charge. Don't allow anyone to charge you for creating a PayPal account. This is a free video for you to know how to create a PayPal account. So make sure you subscribe to my account, you like, and then you subscribe to my account, and then you click on the notification bell to get notified of any videos. Trust me, anytime there's a new video, you will get it as soon as possible. And make sure you also comment in the comment section if there's any additions or minuses. So guys, this is all about the video, and then stick and stay to my channel Sidakotechlab for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.